Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am sharing the Simply Earth Essential Oils monthly recipe box. This is for the month of June. Every month I share this box, and I have for a couple of years now because it's an amazing value. If you are just getting into essential oils, it's a great way to start without a full huge dollar amount commitment. It's just I think the price is $49. It's either $45 or $49 now. I'll put it somewhere here. But when you use my code, you get a gift card back to use on future purchases, and you can cancel at any time. There's no real commitment. It's just a real big value in starting, or if you are a seasoned essential oil user and you just want fresh ideas, it's such a great box. I love it so much. So I share, that is why I share it every month. Also, Simply Earth, in just general with sourcing and making sure their oils are the highest quality, they check every box. They do everything right, and they have great prices, because there's a lot of brands that might do all the things, but then their prices are astronomically high or double the price of where you could be getting them for the same quality. So they do everything right. They give 13% back to help end human trafficking. You can learn more about all of that on their website, but this is always a fun seasonal box. They tailor them to each month. So this month's theme is natural beauty, which, as you know if you watch my videos, is one of my favorite things. Cleaning and beauty are my two favorite ways to use essential oils, aside from things that we need them from medicinally. So the theme is beauty. I always like to share the value also. The value this month is $201, and it's $49.99 now, but this is what you get inside your box. When you get your first box though, it'll come in a box probably this size, and it comes with, so if you've made essential oil DIYs before, you need a lot of coconut oil and extra bottles and things. Well, your big bonus box will come with all of that to help get you started. So that is nice too. They just go above and beyond. You also get access to a class so that you can learn even more about oils, but they provide so much information. So in one side, you'll get your oils. Can't get anything out. 4 essential oils every month, 6 recipes, and then a few different ingredients that you might need. They don't include normal household items that you probably have on hand, but these are the oils. And also I tend to get duplicates a lot because I have a ton of essential oils. So I like to give oils away on my email list, and I will be getting back into that starting tomorrow. So make sure you go down and subscribe. First is Ylang Ylang. This is a floral, it's sometimes known as the aphrodisiac essential oil. It's very pretty smelling floral. Can be used in a lot of different ways. Next is Happy Joy. I just shared also on my Instagram a just slide, what is it called, the carousel, of all of the oils and just some different benefits and ways that you can use them too on there. And as always with every video, a blog post with more info will be linked down below too. Happy Joy is a blend. So this is a blend of grapefruit, orange, geranium, and ylang ylang. A very pretty and happy smelling oil. Happy Joy, I will say, with those essential oils, so geranium, ylang, those are really potent in aroma wise, so the blending factor would be use less of that in a big blend. So that's a really strong blend is what I'm trying to say. Atlas Cedarwood is next. Cedarwood is always something I recommend getting in like first. If you're gonna start with like 5 essential oils, even 3, it might be in my top 3. Cedarwood can be used for lots of different things, as well as lavender. This is Bulgarian lavender, and everyone knows what lavender smells like, but it is the Swiss Army knife of essential oils because it can be used for so many different things, from mood to skin to everything in between. Lavender is in most of my anything that I make. Whoops. And then the other side has the essential oil recipes and things. This first is the stickers, or the sticker sheet. So you get to label everything. These little circle dots go on the top of your bottles if you want to store them in a drawer. And then you'll make a roller so it has the just labels for all of that. Next are the essential, or the recipes. So we're gonna make a floral sanctuary diffuser blend. So you're going to add 50 drops Happy Joy, 35 drops lavender, and 15 cedarwood into an empty bottle. And like I said, those come in your big bonus box. So you'll just make a new blend and label it, and that'll be a different diffuser blend. Luminous Spirit Roll-On. You get rollers and coconut oil in your big bonus. So you'll have everything you need to make this. This is going to be fractionated coconut oil, Happy Joy, and Ylang Ylang in a 10 ml roller bottle. Brightening face oil. So I stopped using moisturizer, like traditional moisturizer, over a year ago, maybe like a year and a half ago now, and all I use are facial oils for after I get out of the shower, after I cleanse my skin. Oils, that's the only thing that I use, and I feel a really big difference in the texture of my skin and overall just like health and brightness of it. It's really great. So I'm happy they have this. So you're using castor oil, almond oil, ylang ylang, cedarwood, and then you're gonna need a bottle from home. Let's see, yes, so a 1 ounce bottle, any kind of dropper or pump like bottle you can reuse. We reuse bottles a lot, so anything that you have that will fit all of this. But 1 tablespoon plus a teaspoon of almond oil. So play around also with different carrier oils that your skin type might benefit most from. I have a whole blog post on carrier oils, their benefits individually, because along with essential oils, the carrier oils in themselves have a lot of skin benefits. So like an educational post on that is just go search on torinora.com, but also for skin type. So I do not usually go for castor oil on my face. My go-to is jojoba or rosehip oil. Hemp oil is also a very low, if you have oily skin, it is a good oil for that. Rose red lip butter. I love making makeups also, so it looks like there's 2 different ones. Beeswax, almond oil, castor oil. Then you'll need rose red mica powder, which they give you in the box this month. 2 drops of lavender, and then you'll put it in a tin, which these come in their makeup kits too. These are really nice to have and also reusable because they're just little tins. And that is for that one. Then we have Daily Radiance Dust. So you'll need mineral makeup base, which they give you, and a 1/4 teaspoon of the rose red mica powder. And I have also somewhere, I will try to link below, but like just this collection of things that you'll need to make different recipes. So what made me think of it is the 1/4 teaspoon. You might not have that in your normal, or sometimes it'll be 1/8 or 1/16 of a teaspoon. Those types of measuring spoons, different things you'll need to mix and make DIYs. I have a link to all of that too if you're interested. You'll need the mineral powder, the mica powder, almond oil, cedarwood, and then a rectangular cosmetic container. So something like this, but I think a little bit bigger. Is that what it is? Same size and everything as this, but you can reuse anything. And then lastly, number 6 is the restorative eye balm. So you're using beeswax, which will be in your big bonus box, castor oil, which I forgot to show you. You do get castor oils to make or to use in these recipes. Almond oil, which will be in your big bonus box, lavender, and then you'll also need a square. So it's just half the size of the balm we're making. So you'll need a really tiny container or tin. If you can go on and just buy these individually too on their website, I believe. And you'll need a little square one for this, and you're making an eye balm, which is really great. Then we have, so they have a beauty kit. I don't know if it's new or if they're just resharing. Either way, they have this whole kit that you can buy just to make beauty products. So it looks like there's tons of those tins and lip balm tubes and all of the mica powders and makeup trays and things you'll need. A lot of this makeup base. So they teach you, they've taught us before how to make mineral makeup and also solid makeup, like a foundation and highlighter and bronzer. It's really cool. I think it's a really trial and error, so it takes a lot of time to get what you like best for your skin in that way, but I really like the option of making your own products like that because you're saving yourself the exposure to so many toxins and things in other products that you can buy. But I'm really excited. I'll probably make these with my girls this month because they also love this category. So we will do that and share if we do. And all right, I think that is it. Let me know questions you have, and if you're excited for this month, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, my code will be on the screen and link will be down below. Have a good day. Bye.